let's try it with an egg. Hey everyone, my name is Manon. Happy National Science Week. Today I'm going to show you an excellent science experiment. I'm going to show you how you can get an egg into a bottle using air pressure. So I've got a hard-boiled egg here, and it's just a little bit too big for the opening of this bottle. Now, realistically speaking, I can get it into the bottle using my hand, but it's not super elegant. It kind of goes everywhere. Air pressure does it a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a difference in air pressure using heat. Now, for this part of the experiment, I do recommend getting a grown-up's help, because we're going to light a piece of paper on fire and then very quickly pop it into the jar, pop the egg on top, and then the egg gets pushed into the bottle. So what's happening is the flame is heating up the air particles inside the bottle. And as the air particles are coming up, they're expanding, and some of them are making it out the top of the bottle. Then, when the flame goes out, the air cools down, but now we have less air particles inside the bottle than there were before. So inside the bottle, we have a low air pressure. Outside in the room, there's a higher air pressure. And the high air pressure is like, absolutely not. We need to get into the bottle towards the low air pressure. So all the air particles in the room are pushing on the bottle, pushing on the egg so much that the egg gets pushed all the way into the bottle. Now, I probably should try to get this egg out of the bottle. To get the egg out of the bottle, we need to do the reverse. We need to have high air pressure inside the bottle. So I'm going to add more air particles into my bottle. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to get a nice seal with my egg, and then egg slowly wants to come out. So, if you want to try this experiment at home, I've left all of the instructions in the comments below, and happy National Science Week. Ha! It's free!